George here, Fit Bodies Unlimited. Today we're going to go over this lovely machine, the hip abductor adductor. There is a couple of adjustments on this thing that you can do via the weight and the leg positioning. This machine actually does both. So this lever down here, if you pick it up, it'll allow it to go in or come out. And these little pads right here will spin one way or the other way based on what you're doing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow a little bit of space in here so that I can walk around here and I can sit down right here. But before I would get situated and straight, I would want to make sure that the weight is correct. And if I'm going to do the weight's on a knob right here. It goes by 10 and also by 5. There's a knob here in the middle that we would adjust, and you just spin it and turn it, and that'll adjust the weight. And then there's a knob at the top of it that you would push over if you were just going to go by 1 pound increments. So pretty easy, dial, smooth. It's really nice, okay? So then we're going to slide on back. And the first one we're going to do with this one is we're going to go with pulling the lever, bringing it in. We're going to go with abduction, okay? And let the pin drop in there. This will be firmly against my knees. I'm going to put my feet either up or they can be down, whatever you're kind of comfortable with. There's a lot of variations. You'll see people that will lean forward. You'll see people that will lay back. It does change where it hits in your glute med, but you know, it's a kind of a comfort thing. I saw actually one lady fall off of this. So just be careful when you're leaning forward. There are 2 handles here, and then from here, we're just going to push our knees out as wide as you can. Again, I'm always about holding, so if you can hold it for a second and then come back in, that's really going to help. You squeeze it out, bring it in. Do that nice and slow. You don't want to hear a lot of bouncing, a lot of banging, a lot of clanging. So make sure you do that. And that hits out here into your glute and glute med. Okay, now I'm going to do the opposite. I'll pull the pin a little bit to allow this to come out. Okay, females obviously can stretch a little bit more than males can. So you want to spin these around. And then you would put your leg on the outside of it. And on the outside of the other one. Okay, and again, based on your flexibility, this lever allows you to kind of go as wide as you would need to. And then with this, we're going to go to adduction, and we're going to be squeezing in here. So squeeze those knees together, and then squeeze just like that. And again, this is working the inside here, and just kind of squeeze. Nice, slow, and controlled. Again, we're not slamming things. We're doing it nice and smooth and controlled. So pretty simple. Again, you can lay down or lean forward, whatever position kind of you feel most comfortable in. You can do that on here. Very great machine. Men and women should do it, not just females, where this is commonly known as a female exercise, but men should use it just as much. So if you need more tips and tricks on fitness and how to utilize the equipment, make sure that you are on our YouTube at Fit Bodies Unlimited and check out more videos.